We'll guide you through how to manage multiple Google accounts on one computer. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. It's common to go and have multiple Google accounts, perhaps a personal one, a work one, and in general, you may just have a couple of personal ones. And so to go and manage them on your computer effectively, we're going to be using Google Chrome. So if you get to go and get Google Chrome, you can go and download and install it. Now go and open it up. You want to go to the top right and press on your profile icon in Chrome, not Google, this top one. Then you want to go down and you want to go and press Add Chrome Profile. The best way of managing multiple Google accounts is to have different profiles, as then you can go and have the different accounts. So click here, and then what you want to do is go and press sign in like so, and you want to go and sign into another Google account. You can then press yes, I'm in to start syncing the data and set up your Chrome profile. You've now added it. Press that again in the top right, and you can hover over your account here, and you can then go and add another new profile or manage them. But now when you go and open up Chrome, you'll go and get a pop-up and you can choose the account you want to go and use, and you've got your different Google accounts here. Found this useful? Then leave a like.